Assalamu alaikum students, this video lecture is for pre-9th class subject English A lesson number 5 exercise. Students, today we will do its remaining two figures of speech. Its third figure of speech is personification. Actually, the personification is a figure of speech in which a thing, an idea or an animal is given human attributes. For example, we can say that lightning danced across the sky. Because of danced, it is personified. The wind howled in the night, and here because of howled, the wind is personified. Personification is what writer used to bring non-human things to life. Now you can see that we have a definition of personification. It is the figurative language technique where an object or idea is given human characteristics or qualities. For example, the candle flame danced in the dark. See here, you can see danced. It is because of dance the candle flame is personified. Our second example is the sunflowers nodded in the wind. Next is imagery. Imagery means to use figurative language to represent objects, actions, and ideas in such a way that it appeals to our physical senses. And physical senses are auditory sense, smell, taste, touch, or visual. And we can take an example like it was dark and dim in the forest. You can say that you can see the words dark and dim are visual images. The children were screaming and shouting in the fields. You can see screaming and shouting appeal to our sense of hearing, and we can also say it auditory sense. And the girl ran her hands on a soft satin fabric. The idea of soft in this example appeals to our sense of touch, and we can also say it tactile sense. The fresh and juicy orange is very cold and sweet. Here, juicy and sweet, when associated with oranges, have an effect on our sense of taste, and we can also say it gustatory sense. And here we have example of we have definition of imagery. You can see imagery is a construction of details used to create mental images in the mind of reader through the visual sense as well as the senses of touch, smell, taste, and sound. Next we have example visual huge trees in the thick and dark forest. Auditory image the rustling of leaves, smell scent of apples, taste sweet and juicy oranges. You can see here sweet and juicy are taste, sense of taste. Students, these figures of speech you will learn at your home, and you will make its examples by yourself. Okay ji, thank you, Allah Hafiz.